This lecture is about checklists for conferences and seminars. The contents will be introduction, essence of conferences and seminars, significance of checklists, customization, challenges, technology integration, case studies, future of checklists in conferences and seminars, and conclusion. Introduction. Conferences and seminars stand as intellectual congregations serving as crucibles for knowledge exchange, professional development, and collaborative exploration. The intricate orchestration of these gatherings demand a meticulous approach to ensure seamless execution and a valuable experience for participants. In this academic discourse, we delve into the realm of checklists for conferences and seminars, examining their profound significance, adaptability, and instrumental role in shaping the success of intellectual gatherings. Pre-event planning. The initial phase of organizing a conference or seminar involves a myriad of tasks. A comprehensive checklist should include items such as venue selection, budget planning, and timeline creation. It guides event planners through crucial decisions, ensuring that all necessary elements are considered and appropriately managed in the lead up to the event. From pre-event planning to post-event evaluation, a well-structured checklist ensures that no detail is overlooked, contributing to the seamless flow of logistics, engaging presentations, and overall event success. As conferences and seminars continue to evolve, the role of these specialized checklists remains pivotal in navigating the complexities of modern professional gatherings. In the realm of conferences and seminars, where the convergence of diverse elements is essential for success, the use of checklists becomes paramount. These events bring together speakers, attendees, sponsors, and logistical intricacies that demand a systematic approach. A checklist becomes the orchestrator, harmonizing the complex symphony of tasks involved, from selecting an appropriate venue and coordinating logistics to managing dynamic speaker sessions and ensuring a seamless attendee experience. The journey begins with pre-event planning, where objectives are outlined, budgets are established, and a vision for the event takes shape. The checklist evolves as a living document, navigating through the nuances of venue selection, marketing strategies, and speaker management. It adapts to the dynamic nature of event planning, addressing challenges related to technical setups, registrations, and on-site coordination. As the event unfolds, the checklist becomes the guardian of timelines, ensuring that each component aligns with the predetermined schedule. Post-event, it transforms into a tool for evaluation, capturing feedback, analyzing performance metrics, and gleaning insights for future improvements. In essence, the checklist is the linchpin that not only facilitates the meticulous organization of conferences and seminars, but also ensures a lasting impact on participants and stakeholders. In this age of information and complexity, the checklist transcends its traditional role as a mere list of tasks. It becomes a strategic instrument aiding event planners in managing the intricacies of conferences and seminars with finesse. Through this lens, the checklist is not just a document. It is the compass guiding event planners through the vast terrain of event management, steering them towards success in crafting events that leave a lasting impression. The essence of conferences and seminars. Conferences and seminars are intellectual hubs where diverse minds converge to share insights, exchange knowledge, and foster collaborative growth. Conferences, often expansive and multifaceted, may span multiple days and encompass various sessions, workshops, and networking opportunities. Seminars, more focused and intensive, provide a platform for in-depth exploration of specific topics. The dynamic nature of these gatherings necessitates a structured and strategic approach to planning, and this is where checklists emerge as foundational tools. Conferences and seminars stand as forums for intellectual exchange, knowledge dissemination, and professional networking. These gatherings bring together experts, practitioners, and enthusiasts from diverse fields to share insights, discuss advancements, and foster collaboration. The essence of conferences and seminars lies in their ability to serve as catalysts for innovation, learning, and community building. These gatherings not only contribute to individual growth, but also play a pivotal role in advancing industries and fields of study. As society continues to evolve, the essence of conferences and seminars remains resilient, continuing to shape the intellectual landscape and inspire generations of professionals and scholars. Significance of checklists in conference and seminar planning. Pre-event organization. The initial phase of conference and seminar planning involves a multitude of tasks, from selecting venues to budgeting and scheduling. A well-structured checklist facilitates pre-event organization by breaking down these complex tasks into manageable steps. It ensures that critical details are considered, such as securing a suitable venue, creating a realistic budget, and establishing a timeline for necessary preparations. Precision in programming. The success of conferences and seminars hinges on precise programming. Checklists serve as the architects of this precision, delineating every aspect of the event schedule, from keynote sessions to breakout discussions. This meticulous planning ensures a cohesive and well-organized intellectual journey for attendees. Facilitating speaker coordination. The coordination of speakers is a critical element in these gatherings. Checklists become instrumental in managing speaker invitations, confirming availability, and aligning presentation topics with the overarching theme of the event. This ensures a diverse and engaging lineup that contributes to the richness of the intellectual discourse. Streamlining logistics. The logistics of conferences and seminars, including venue arrangements, audiovisual setups, and participant registrations, can be complex. Checklists serve as logistical guides, streamlining these intricacies and ensuring that every logistical aspect is addressed systematically to create a conducive environment for intellectual exchange. The logistical intricacies of hosting conferences and seminars demand careful planning. Checklists guide event planners through the coordination of venue logistics, including room setup, audiovisual requirements, and on-site staff communication. This meticulous approach minimizes disruptions during the event and enhances the overall experience for both organizers and attendees. Networking opportunities. Facilitating networking opportunities is a key goal of conferences and seminars, and checklists play a pivotal role in achieving this. Tasks related to creating designated networking sessions, providing attendee lists, and incorporating interactive elements are included in specialized checklists. Fostering connections among participants enriches the event experience and contributes to its overall success. Customization, diverse conference formats. Conferences come in various formats, each with its unique objectives. Checklists can be tailored to accommodate the diversity of conferences, whether they are academic conferences emphasizing research dissemination, industry conferences focusing on innovation, or hybrid conferences blending virtual and physical components. In-depth seminar focus. Seminars, by their nature, demand an in-depth focus on specific topics. Checklists for seminars can be customized to emphasize session content, participant engagement strategies, and interactive elements that enhance the depth of exploration and learning within the defined thematic scope. Emergency preparedness. The unpredictable nature of events necessitates the inclusion of emergency preparedness tasks in checklists. Proactive planning for unforeseen circumstances, including first aid provisions, evacuation plans, and communication protocols, ensures the safety and well-being of attendees. This aspect of checklists addresses the responsibility of event organizers to create a secure environment. Attendee experience considerations. The attendee experience is paramount in conferences and seminars. Checklists can be customized to prioritize attendee comfort, engagement, and networking opportunities. Addressing these considerations ensures that participants leave the event with not only enriched knowledge but also a positive and memorable experience. Follow-up and evaluation. Conclude the event with a thorough follow-up and evaluation phase. Conduct post-event surveys to gather attendee insights and analyze the results to identify areas for improvement. Assess the return on investment and overall success of the event against established objectives. Document lessons learned to enhance future event planning efforts and express gratitude to sponsors and partners for their contributions. Post-event activities. Collect valuable feedback from attendees through post-event surveys and analyze the results for improvement opportunities. Assess the event's success against objectives and metrics, sending gratitude messages to speakers and sponsors. Follow up with attendees via email, archive event materials, and conduct a detailed evaluation of the budget and financial outcomes. Challenges in conference and seminar checklist, technical and audiovisual challenges. Conferences and seminars often involve intricate technical setups and audiovisual presentations. Checklists serve as troubleshooters, addressing technical requirements, ensuring equipment readiness, and minimizing the risk of disruptions during presentations. Participant engagement strategies. Engaging participants in intellectual discourse requires thoughtful strategies. Checklists guide planners in developing interactive sessions, discussion formats, and question and answer opportunities, fostering active participant engagement and contributing to the vibrancy of the event. Adapting to hybrid formats. The evolving landscape of conferences includes the integration of virtual components. Checklists can adapt to these hybrid formats, encompassing considerations for virtual attendee participation, online streaming platforms, and interactive features that bridge the gap between physical and virtual audiences. Technology integration for conference and seminar. Checklists, virtual platforms, and collaboration tools. In the digital era, technology plays a pivotal role in conference and seminar planning. Checklists can integrate virtual platforms and collaboration tools that facilitate communication amongst planning teams, speakers, and participants. These tools streamline information flow, ensuring real-time updates and coordination. Virtual attendance options. The evolving nature of professional gatherings demands consideration for virtual attendance options and technology integration and addresses this need. Checklists now include tasks related to live streaming, virtual participant registration, and interactive online components. By embracing virtual attendance options, event organizers expand the reach of their conferences and seminars, making them accessible to a global audience. Digital marketing strategies. Checklists for conferences and seminars now include tasks related to digital marketing strategies. From social media campaigns to email marketing, technology integration amplifies promotional efforts. Utilizing online platforms not only widens the event's visibility but also allows for targeted marketing, ensuring that the conference or seminar reaches the intended audience effectively. Data analytics for session optimization. Data analytics further enrich the utility of checklists by providing insights into session performance. Planners can analyze participant engagement, metrics, session attendance, and feedback data to optimize future sessions. This data-driven approach contributes to continuous improvement in the quality and relevance of conference and seminar content. Event registration systems. Efficient and user-friendly event registration systems are integral to the success of conferences and seminars. Technology integration ensures the inclusion of tasks related to selecting, customizing, and managing online registration platforms. This not only streamlines the registration process, but also provides organizers with valuable data for attendee management and communication. Real-time collaboration tools. Real-time collaboration tools. Future checklists will likely include advanced real-time collaboration tools that enable seamless communication and coordination among planning teams. These tools, integrated into the checklist workflow, facilitate collaborative decision-making, reduce response times, and enhance overall team efficiency during the planning and execution phases of conferences and seminars. Case studies. Realizing success through conference and seminar, Checklist International Research Symposium. In an international research symposium, a meticulously crafted checklist ensured the smooth coordination of keynote sessions, parallel tracks, and poster presentations. The precision of the checklist contributed to a successful event that facilitated the exchange of cutting-edge research and collaboration among participants. Industry Innovation Conference. An industry innovation conference showcased the adaptability of checklists to diverse formats. Customized checklists emphasized innovation showcases, industry panel discussions, and interactive workshops, resulting in a dynamic event that fostered knowledge exchange and industry collaboration. Virtual Seminar Series. A virtual seminar series underscored the importance of technology integration in checklists. The checklist incorporated considerations for virtual attendee engagement, online discussion forums, and interactive features, ensuring the success of the seminar series in reaching a global audience. The future of conference and seminar checklists, inclusivity in virtual participation. The future of conference and seminar checklists is likely to prioritize inclusivity in virtual participation. Checklists may evolve to incorporate enhanced virtual engagement strategies, accessibility features, and interactive elements that create a seamless experience for both physical and virtual attendees. Continuous integration of participant feedback. In the future, checklists will emphasize continuous integration of participant feedback throughout the event life cycle. Real-time surveys, sentiment analysis tools, and participant engagement metrics will be incorporated into checklists, providing organizers with immediate insights. This iterative feedback loop ensures that organizers can adapt and enhance the event experience based on participant responses. Artificial intelligence for personalization. Artificial intelligence may play a role in personalizing conference and seminar experiences. Checklists should leverage AI algorithms to recommend tailored session schedules based on participant interests, creating a personalized intellectual journey that enhances attendee satisfaction. Sustainable event practices. Sustainability considerations are gaining prominence in event planning. Future conference and seminar checklists may integrate sustainable practices, addressing eco-friendly venue options, waste reduction strategies, and ethical sourcing of materials. This evolution aligns with a global shift towards environmentally conscious event practices. Hybrid event considerations. As hybrid events become more prevalent, future checklists will incorporate specific tasks to seamlessly blend in person and virtual components. Planning considerations for hybrid conferences and seminars, including technological requirements, participant engagement strategies, and simultaneous content delivery, will become standard in future checklists. This ensures that events can adapt to diverse attendee preference and global circumstances. Integration of sustainable practices. The future of conference and seminar checklist will reflect an increased focus on sustainability. Checklists will include tasks related to eco-friendly venue selection, waste reduction measures, and carbon footprint assessments. Sustainable practices will become integral to event planning, aligning conferences and seminars with broader societal goals and values. As the event landscape continues to evolve, these forward-looking checklists will play a pivotal role in shaping innovative and impactful professional gatherings that meet the evolving needs and expectation of participants in the years to come. Conclusion. In conclusion, conferences and seminars stand as crucibles of intellectual exploration and collaborative growth. The strategic use of checklists emerges as a linchpin in orchestrating successful events in these knowledge-sharing forums. Their significance lies in precision programming, speaker coordination, and streamlining logistics to ensure a seamless intellectual journey for participants. Customization remains a key feature of conference and seminar checklists, allowing them to adapt to diverse formats, thematic focuses, and attendee experience considerations. The challenges inherent in these gatherings, from technical issues to participant engagement, find solutions in the systematic and structured approach offered by well-designed checklists. The integration of technology into conference and seminar checklists reflects the evolving landscape of event planning. Virtual platforms, collaboration tools, and data analytics contribute to enhanced communication, participant engagement, and continuous improvement in the quality of content. Real-world case studies showcase how these checklists have been pivotal in the success of diverse intellectual gatherings spanning research symposiums, industry conferences, and virtual seminar series. Furthermore, the future checklists recognize the imperative of real-time collaboration tools, ensuring seamless communication and coordination among planning teams. The continuous integration of participant feedback throughout the event lifecycle underscores a commitment to adaptability and ongoing improvements. As the role of technology becomes increasingly pronounced, these future-oriented checklists will not only guide event organizers in navigating the complexities of planning, but also contribute to the creation of immersive, inclusive, and impactful professional gatherings. The future promises the convergence of innovation, sustainability, and participant-centric experiences, where well-crafted checklists will continue to be indispensable tools in orchestrating successful conferences and seminars.